Where did Wolf run off to? I don't know. He's somewhere around here. Why he went off screen? Don't know. God, as soon as I started to change the camera angle, she comes back in camera view. There's Zafina there. Wolf is God knows who knows where. Somewhat bonkers of display one. I think display one is like somehow it got attached to one of the Eileens. That's what's going on here. So like when I start chucking Eileens, it's showing the perspective of Eileen is being chucked. That's no good. You know, so you're looking through Eileen's eyes as she's being chucked, which is really dumb. Nobody wants that. I don't know how that happened. There's a problem with using this touchpad for a mouse. I must have dragged something where I shouldn't have dragged it. And I dragged an Eileen. Dragged an Eileen over to where I shouldn't have, and she somehow got, you know, just dragged in the wrong place. Okay? She's dragged off. It shouldn't be. And she's like, you know, anyway, yeah. Her field got dragged into the camera field, I think, for camera one. So for some reason, they're showing, you know, a chucked Eileen's point of view when it shouldn't be. Every time it's like if I chuck a wolf, right? If a wolf chucks an Eileen, the game automatically switches the camera view of display one over to the point of view of a chucked Eileen, which is like airborne and flying through the map. So that's no good, okay? Really no good. I changed her starting point. See what I did with Zafina there? I moved her over here where the other characters are. So now, hopefully when she starts moving, she's moving, you know, in close proximity to the other characters. As you can see, she's doing her little rumbler thing. Arms are all jacked up because that's how Nap and Co made her skin. They made her skin that way so they can make her move all really fluid like Waldo. That doesn't work well with this game. Only they have the animations for whatever, you know, like for Voldo animations, basically. So you put a regular generic animation on her, she goes like this. Her arms go to spaghetti like Mr. Fantastic when he was fighting when he's fighting Scarlet Witch. She should start doing a throw animation. Like when she touches, see those capsules there, those vertical capsules? If she touches any of those vertical capsules, she gets the power to start chucking power balls, which is her main projectile, right? And that's why the game just crashed. It says there's no variable pickup for the Powerball tossing power up has not been assigned, but it has been assigned. It's plasma. It's a plasma effect that is applied when she picks up a power up. That power up in particular, which is one that gives her the power to throw Powerballs. But here's the thing. She shouldn't be just doing her animation there, because I have her animation for throw set to any state, which means it doesn't matter what state she is, she can switch to her throw animation immediately. So that's what she should do when I set her to, when she touches that power up. See how this is any state right here? I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay. Her God dang it. This animation is any state, which means she can throw from any state, and she can jump to any animation from any state because you set it to transition from any state. Okay, any state, which means she can transition to anything to that, and that should not be a problem. So the fact that she's dancing should not be a problem. You know, it should not be a problem to have her switch out to her throw animation from her dance animation. She should be able to transition easily. Okay, all those are set to any state. Only thing is, that's a running animation. It doesn't matter if it's a running animation because if she gets ordered to throw a damn Powerball, she should stop running and throw a damn Powerball and do a throw animation. So the same thing would happen if she were dancing. She should stop dancing and throw her damn Powerball like she's supposed to. As you can see. You can't listen to everything Bracky says. I learned a lot of stuff from Bracky's, but a lot of stuff Bracky says doesn't apply to this. Like he said you shouldn't set animation to have an exit time in certain cases, but in his case, when he's making a game, but in here, everything has to have an exit time. And also, Bracky's hasn't made a video in 2 years, so a lot of stuff he said is like outdated. He quit. He quit like 2 years ago. So you can only learn but so much from watching Bracky's videos. That's why I watch other YouTubers like Jason Weinman. Anyway, stop the damn animation. And also, as far as if you look at Zafina, right? You look at her tossing animation, or tossing power up. Well, might not be under here because technically everything concerns her tossing. Her tossing animation, that's a power up power. It's not one of her base powers. Her base powers is just kind of dance or maybe kick, which gets in close proximity of Wolf. So this is like boom, 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 boom. You set this up here. See this event system. I think I should remove this. I think this might be messing things up. Man, I should delete this because I think I added this by accident. I was just trying to add a yeah, I was just trying to add a UI, for the score and everything, and I accidentally added the event system. I don't need an event system actually, so that should get out of there. But as I was saying, for her power up, it's a capsule. So you look up capsule in the hierarchy, right? Capsule 1, for example. Click it on, and you're gonna see her script for her for when Zafina comes in contact with his power up. And as you can see, her thing is set up, man. Her thing is set up. Her freaking the Powerball prefab she throws when she gets it is set up. It's linked to Zafina. Maybe I should link it to actually this actual new Zafina. And also, it used the same animator. It doesn't matter. They use the same animator. And pickup effect is a plasma explosion, and the plasma explosion actually goes off when she picks it up. So the game is making a false error when it says like the variable pickup effect of tossing power up has not been assigned. Yeah, it has been assigned, and you can see it right here. It says plasma explosion. That's the variable pickup effect. So I don't know. I mean, I can look at it again and look at the script specifically. There's some kind of error in the script, but I doubt it.